Hi, I'm Greg Cohen. Let's face it, one way to really crash your returns on your rental property is to have to pay exorbitant maintenance costs. Want to know why JWB always wins when it comes to keeping repair costs lower than every other property management company? One of the ways we provide the most value is the fact that JWB clients pay a lot less for the same repair work than if they were to call a contractor to complete the job. They even pay a lot less than other property management companies' discounted rates, because we do so much more volume than any other property management company locally. Investors may not realize it, but this adds up to huge savings for a client over the lifetime of their property. Another reason why repair costs are higher elsewhere: most other property management companies mark up the maintenance cost to owners by 10 to 15%, and they charge service fees for handling maintenance items. That's why you don't normally get an actual invoice from them. JWB doesn't mark up maintenance fees. That's because our goal is to deliver value through hitting the best returns possible for our clients. And plain and simple, maintenance costs go directly against the bottom line. So here's how it works for us. With our many properties, we do a huge volume of business with our subcontractor teammates, the ones who are actually swinging the hammers and getting the hard work done on our projects. We're talking about over $1 million worth of construction monthly. Because of our great relationship, all of our subs agree to JWB's line item pricing agreement, which means we pay one set rate for specific work done on a property, no matter if it's a big job or a small one. It's a great deal for everyone, but especially you. Because you're a client of JWB, you get the benefit of the buying power of our entire operation, which will continue to keep your maintenance costs low. Want to learn more about how we deliver value through lower maintenance costs? Just fill out the form or give our office a call at 904-337-4777.